sulfuric acid dithylamide, or C20H25N30, or LSD, was created by Hoffman in 1938 when trying to make a blood stimulant, but did not realize its hallucinogenic powers until 1943 when he accidentally consumed some LSD. Later, he intentionally ingested it to observe the effects. After quite the trip, he rode his bike home because he felt he was unfit to drive. This day, April 19th, is now known as Bicycle Day and is celebrated around the world as the discovery of LSD. Psychologists used it for experiments because of its similarity to chemicals in the brain. Military wanted to use it to render large groups of people incompetent, terrorized, and confused. It is semipolar, has a predicted boiling point of 541 Celsius and a melting point of 240 Celsius, therefore suggesting that there is no real boiling point. The chemical is colorless, odorless, and has a neutral charge. It also comes from a mold found on wheat. In the 40s, 50s, and 60s, pharmacists gave it out as free samples when they discovered it could be crystallized, then liquidized for distribution. It became illegal in 1967 because of its effects on the economy and the intense hallucinations included, but scientists found it to be not harmful. 3.1 million 12 to 25-year-olds in 2008 said that they have used LSD. In 1997, 8.4% of seniors said they had used it in the last year. It was used widely in the 60s and 70s, but then dropped in the 80s, rose again in the 90s, and then dropped a lot in the 2000s. Today, LSD is used recreationally and crystallizes on blotting paper. It is also used to treat PTSD in veterans. It causes hallucinations and some rare panic attacks because of its reaction with a chemical in the brain. It also has psychedelic effects and can be used as an entheogen for spiritual experiences. We chose this chemical because a large portion of the public has very little information on it, and the popularity of uses of LSD has fluctuated over the years. In addition, LSD is outlawed but has extremely few to no negative effects on health. Because of this information, we found the chemical intriguing to study and a suitable chemical for our PSA project. Today, LSD is used recreationally, but due to the lack of regulation, can be cross-contaminated and become dangerous or deadly if not the pure chemical. It is highly illegal, but if you choose to use LSD as a drug, be safe.